Welcome to channel. So guys, so first come to www.gigabyte.com. You can see this is officially website. After that, you just see here search button. You just click. After that, you enter your model number of your motherboard, Gigabyte B850 Eagle and Ice, and then hit enter. Then you can see here a product, and then click to title of here name. Then again go to this automatic to new tab. You can see this is your motherboard. Then click to support here. Select operating system which is using Windows 10 or 11. This is making a video for Windows 11, but if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this method and you can install driver as a installation process same. Okay, so first you can see, then LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver, and this is size and this is latest. Just click to download. So then it is downloaded. Open this and double click to exe. And then yes, the LAN driver gigabyte, and this is version. So it is done, and then close it.